don't stop. We woke up in the mud, but we sleeping in gold. They said I'm from the hill, but we act bold. Look at them run, look at them slip. We took them out on a one-way trip. Who is the boss? Who is the king? Let the cannon boom, let the musket sing.
We taking it all right here at Yungay. The party started, we went in for
Mambo!
through the rain and the fog, we bring in the heat. Victory tastes good, yeah, victory is sweet.
Castilla is wild, he leading the pack. We hitting them forward, we watching the back. The union is broken, the treaty is ripped. Check the scoreboard, see how it flipped. Whatever you want, we take it by force. Now bring me a bottle and bring me my horse.
We taking it all right here at Yungay. The party starting, we winning today.
Mambo!
Through the rain and the fog, we bring in the heat. Victory tastes good, yeah, victory is sweet.
They said we were tired, they said we were weak, but look who's standing on top of the peak. Uno, dos, tres, let it blow.
Back to the rhythm.
Let everybody know.
Oh, no.
Let it blow.
Back to the rhythm.
From the desert we came to the valley green, the hardest soldiers that you ever seen. No more confederation, that's the result. We writing a new one in letters of gold. Bring the guitar, bring the cajon. We celebrating right here on the throne.
Taking it all right here at Yungay.
Bombay,
The party started, we winning today.
Mambo,
Through the rain and the fog, we bring in the heat.
victory tastes good.
Yeah, victory is sweet.
Yeah! Bulldogs! Don't stop! Chile! We out here! Young and forever!
Oh yo 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 yo.
From the south we march so far,
Hungry and in pain,
but bully led us through the storm.
and through the driving rain,
We saw them on the mountain top,
looking down on us.
but a Chilean knows no fear.
In God we put our trust. Viva Chile, viva Peru, the restoration's here. We climbed the rock, we took the shock, we made them disappear. Raise the flag at Yungay, let the whole world see. The tyrant falls, the union breaks, and now the land is free.
Ramon Castilla charged the field
With saber in his hand,
we drove them to the river's edge.
liberated all the land.
The brown best roared, the cannons spoke.
The victory is sweet.
Now dance the Quaker boys for the enemy's defeat.
Victory! Victory!
Yungay!
Yungay! Victory! Victory! Yungay!
Upon the hill of Sugarloaf, we stood so proud and high. Santa Cruz, he promised us that we would never die. But rain, it fell like angels' tears upon the Anchor stone, and left us us in the valley deep to die all on our own. Oh, Yungay, the Union falls today. The river runs with brothers' blood and washes us away. The Chileans came up the slope with bayonets of steel. We fired down into the mist, but fate we could not heal. The mud it took our heavy guns, the panic took our breath, and in the waters of the sand we met with freezing death. Broken packs and broken bones, the silence now prevails. Confederation is no more, only the widow wails.
Yeah, I'm still thinking about it. The Union, 1889. Andrés, tell me what happened. I remember when we signed the pact, we were so strong that the Confederation would last so long. Peru and Bolivia, a perfect design, but the envious neighbors drew the line. Chile didn't want to see us rise. Now I got tears in my eyes, looking at the Andean. The hill so steep, the promises we made that we couldn't keep. And if we were still together, who could stop us now? But we lost it all at Yungay. I don't even know how. The rain was falling, the mud was deep. General bonus put our dreams to sleep. If we were still together, we'd rule the coast. Now the Confederation is just a ghost. Yeah, just a ghost. January 20th, the fog was gray. I saw the Restoration Army come into play. They climbed the rock, they didn't have fear. I fired my musket, but the end was near. Santa Cruz ran, he left us behind. The river took the bodies that the mud couldn't find. Gamarra is back, the dream is dead. I got these memories spinning in my head. Why did it rain? Why did we break? It was the biggest mistake that we could make. Lost the high ground, lost the war. I don't even know who I am anymore. Divided we fall, that's what they say. I wish I could go back to yesterday. Before the charge, before the scream, when the Union was still a beautiful dream. And if we were still together, who could stop us now? But we lost it all at Yungay. I don't even know how. The rain was falling, the mud was deep. General bonus put our dreams to sleep. If we were still together, we'd rule the coast. Now the Confederation is just a ghost, just a ghost. Yungay, it's over. The Union is gone.
Thank you for listening. Additional information can be found on warscholar.org, on Instagram at Chris Alvarez War Scholar, on X at War Scholar, on Facebook at warscholar.org. Visit warscholar.org for more social media and Discord community links. Please check back regularly for more episodes and provide likes where you can to support continued production of these episodes. Thank you for listening.